Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2003 Honda Odyssey, doing a driver's side window regulator and motor. Door panel will have to come off. I'll show you how to do that. The handle piece right here has one screw right here. The piece will come out, and then you will unlatch the pull handle that goes for the door locks and so on and so forth. The window assembly right here, you will pop it out and then disconnect the two connectors in there. There's also a screw right down through here. So screw here, screw here. This panel come out, this panel come out. Disconnect the connectors. Door panel itself is held on by push pins, so it will just simply pop off. Once you get the panel off, you will disconnect your speaker and your harness right here for this side. Move the panel out of the way. Window regulator. Most of the time they come apart like yay. Plastic just gets destroyed and the window itself falls down in the channel. Once you get the panel off, lower your window dam. There is also a little bracket right here. You will need to gain access to the two holes right here for taking out these screws. So you'll need to take off this little bracket, which is this, which is basically the holding piece for the door that you took out for the handle. Just put your hand inside, lift up the glass itself to the point where these two holes here are accessible. I use screwdrivers, you can use tape, you can use whatever you want just to hold the glass in place. 10mm here, 10mm here. Channel will come undone. Got a 10 here, 10 here, 3 10s here on the side for the motor, 2 10s down at the bottom. Regulator itself will come out. Disconnect your motor and reinstall. Just put it back in, make sure these holes line up, lower the glass if you need to, but where they're stuck here, they're perfectly lined up. Put the 10s back in, put everything back in, connect it back up, give it a test before you put the door panel itself back on, and away you roll. But that is pretty simple. This is most door panel setups and most window regulator setups for most vehicles. So you get into the modern ones where they have modular setups where this whole assembly right here has to come off in order to replace a regulator or a motor or something of that nature. When I get to one of those vehicles next time, I will record that so you guys can see that one. But any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.